In this video, I'll show you how to find the MAC address on Windows 11. A MAC address, also known as a physical address, is a unique identifier assigned to your network adapter. You may need it for network troubleshooting, router settings, device identification, or security purposes. Let's get started. Method 1. Using command prompt. First, press the Windows logo key +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Now type CMD and press Enter. This will open the command prompt window. Next, type the following command and press Enter. ipconfig/all. Windows will display detailed information about all network adapters on your computer. Look for the adapter you are currently using, such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Find the line labeled Physical Address. The value displayed next to it is your MAC address. Method 2. Using Settings. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Select Network and Internet from the left-hand menu. Choose Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on your connection type. Click on your active network connection. Scroll down until you see Physical Address, MAC. Your MEC address will be displayed there. And that's how you can find the MAC address on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tutorials.